Hi, my name is Tara and I have been working with Box Clever since last September. More recently, I was doing a play with them called Mock and the Mocked. Now, Mock and the Mock is aimed at raising awareness around bullying, and it uses physical theatre and non-verbal acting. But at the end, we have a very lovely song where all the actors come together and sing this song to the person being bullied. Now, I would like to share with you a little bit of that song. What do I see now? I'll tell you what I see now. I see a child crying, curled up and crying, a child cornered, nowhere to run to, nowhere to hide to, nowhere to go to, battered and bruised, wanting to stretch out a hand and ask for help, but too scared to do anything, but curled up and cry. I'll tell you what I saw once. I saw this child before the sky fell down and the walls caved in, before bad words flew around his head and his friends left him for somebody new and nobody to talk to. He was happy once, he was flying a kite, face full of smiling, voice loud with laughing. He was running, him and his friends, running and racing, racing and chasing the kite, until he pulled them and lifted them, trying to take them and heave them up into the clouds. Afterwards, after the wind had shrunk and sunk away, they sat, him and his friends, they sat and they chatted about this and that. They shared their crisps and sandwiches. They shared their jokes and funny stories and favorite music. They sat, him and his friends, on the bough of a broken tree. They sat, legs dangling over tempestuous seas, while sharks with teeth like knives were trying to eat their toes, until they lost their balance and fell off, falling onto the grass, screaming and laughing so much they lay there all tangled up, a tangled heap of friends. He was happy once. But that was a long time ago. That was before today. And what do I see now? I'll tell you what I see now. I see a child crying, curled up and crying, wanting to stretch out a hand and ask for help. He wants to stretch out a hand. He wants. You are there. You are in the playground. You are there. You see this child. You know what he wants. You know what he wants. And what do I see now? I see this child isn't crying anymore, because he's not getting picked on anymore, because the bad names and the bad behaviors have gone.